beautiful.
First, balance your feet, bend at your knees. Now bend at the back. Yeah, she's got the knack. Get under the bar, 'cause it's nice and easy.